prostrate to the Buddha, seeking the light, embracing the Dhamma in the still of the night. With the sangkha beside me, in unity we stand, turning over our past with this humble hand. In silence we gather, in peace we grow. Buddhang, kammatha, Kamma, juthi, SamBuddho, bringing forth harmony. The 5 precepts, each moment I strive, doing good in this world where compassion must thrive. With my mind clear as water, I follow the way, lighting up the darkness, come what may. So hear me now calling, with faith I will flow. Buddhang, kammatha, Kamma, juthi, bringing forth harmony. Please forgive me, I plead, for the shadows I've cast. I seek your guidance for the future steadfast.